The belief that happiness and security can be achieved by reaching a certain destination in life is nothing but a fallacy. Many of us believe that if we just had a happy relationship, a good job, a certain sum of money, or a stable living situation, we would finally be at peace. But the truth is, none of these things can deliver what we hope for from them. In this video, we will explore why this is the case and how we can come to terms with this fundamental truth. Firstly, it is important to understand that we can never truly be secure as long as we are alive. The only people with full security are the dead, and the only people who can be truly at peace are buried underground. We will always be alert to danger and in some way at risk. Therefore, it is noble to come to accept this fact and acknowledge the unending nature of worry in our lives. It's essential to recognize the intensity of our desire for a happy endpoint and at the same time acknowledge the reasons why it cannot be ours. We must give up the belief that there might be such a thing as a destination, in the sense of a stable position beyond which we will no longer suffer, crave, and dread. Life is a process of replacing one anxiety and one desire with another. No goal spares us renewed goal seeking. The only stable element in our lives is craving. The only destination is the journey. The implications of fully accepting the arrival fallacy are that we may still have ambitions, but we will have a certain ironic detachment about what is likely to happen when we fulfill them. We will know the itch will start up again soon enough. Knowing the arrival fallacy, we will be subject to illusion, but at least aware of the fact. Our goal should not be to banish anxiety, but to learn to manage, live well around, and when we can, heartily laugh at our anxious cravings. In the nutshell, we hope that by accepting the fact that there is no destination, you will become more self-aware, detach from the illusion of a happy endpoint, and find joy in the journey. Let us give the journey more attention, appreciate the view whenever we can, and pride ourselves on having at least a slight vantage point on our madness. We hope you found it insightful and thought-provoking. If you did, please like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. And don't forget to share your thoughts and experiences in the comment below. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.